today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new Undercounter refrigerators, model 72R. Okay, this is going to be an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. It has 3 doors on the front. Brand for the unit, our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall exterior measurements for this unit. I'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, starting with the length here, you're looking at an exact of 71.5 inches. Okay, 71.5. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 29.5 inches. In the overall height for this item, you're looking at 35.5 inches high. Okay, the unit does have casters on the bottom, so you can easily move it around. Makes it easier for use. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and open up these doors here and show you the inside. And on the inside, we will be able to locate shelving for this unit. Okay, you have a total of 3 shelves for this unit, 1 for each section door. Also on the right hand side, we have a thermometer for this unit, and on the other side of the unit, we have stickers that can show certification, circuit diagram, and specs for this unit. Okay, so now let's go ahead and give you the overall inside measurements. Front to back, you're looking at 17.5 inches for the length. You're going to be looking at a total of 67 inches for the length on the inside, 67. And the height on the inside, we're looking at 23 inches for the height. Okay, you also will be provided with a manual, so if you have any questions or don't know how to use this unit, all the information is going to be on that manual. Lastly, before we go here, I want to go ahead and show you the back of the unit. Okay. And on the back of the unit, we'll be able to locate a plug. It is a standard US plug. Also, our temperature controller is located on the back of this unit. Okay, so that is where you will be able to see temperature once the unit is on and running. Also, you can set your temperature. If you want to go ahead and change temperature for the unit, you can go ahead and do so on that same controller. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this unit refrigerator. Okay, Undercounter refrigerator. If you're interested, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this size. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.